Hey, I'm Jeremy Davidson. I own Davidson Land Company, and recently we created the Land Camp, which is an education product teaching people how to flip land. And I want to tell you a little bit more about the why behind us creating this product. Back when I started working in corporate America, I quickly realized that I was going to hit a ceiling and really not be able to advance as fast as my family was advancing in life. I knew that I'd probably needed to look outside of my corporate job to help make some extra money to support our family for unexpected expenses, to be able to go on vacations, to maybe plan for college, whatever it was that might come up in life. And so I had someone teach me or introduce me to real estate, and I started meeting with them on a regular basis, became a great mentor of mine, and really learning anything and everything I could about real estate. And one of the first deals that I did was a land flipping deal. Didn't really know what it was at the time. To me, it was just, oh, we're gonna invest in land, but turned out to be a classic land flip model of a deal, and it was probably the most profitable deal I've ever done in real estate, and it was such an awesome experience. It taught me so much, and as I look back on all the different types of real estate I've done, whether it's been rehabs, rentals, commercial buildings, mobile homes, whatever, I feel like we've done it all. Land has been the most fun for us as a family. We've been able to teach life lessons on land and outdoors together as a family, and so it's just meant a lot to us. And so we want to be able to bring that connection and opportunity to others out there, and that's why we do what we do. And as we have benefited over the years from the extra money that's come along with it, it's allowed us to be able to pay for our kids' braces, help send our kids to school, be able to go on family trips that we probably would not have been able to take had it not been for the extra money that came in from flipping land. So I know there are a lot of families out there that live paycheck to paycheck, and extra fun things that they dream of doing, they're just not able to do. And so we want to teach people a simple way to invest in real estate through flipping land that will allow them to make this extra income to do the things that we've been able to do, but for themselves. And so that's why we created the Land Camp, to teach people how to flip land and make extra income. They can dream about life, they can design their own life, they can choose their own path. We're excited about bringing this to everybody. We just launched it, and it's an online video series right now that we take people through the methodology and the processes that we use every day in our own land flipping business. We're not just teaching, we're practicing what we preach. And so it's a great model that has gone through the Great Recession, we've gone through the pandemic, we've outlasted these crazy times of the world and chaos in the world. People still need land. There's a housing shortage out there, and they need land to build houses on. And so land's not going anywhere. There's only so much of it out there. And so we feel like it's a great place to be in the real estate industry. So I encourage you to take a look. We'd love to have you check us out. thelandcamp.com is where you can go to find more information about it. And we're excited to offer this program.